Hey, this is Dave Ing. I'm in the junkyard. I am doing the hinges on the 2002 to 2006 Honda CR-V. You can see them over here on the lid. They, for whatever reason, the top part here gets warped, and the glass pulls away from this. Maybe from sitting in the heat all these years. But these ones look pretty good, and they're not scratched up at all. So I'm going to take them off. Now, what I did is that I took this panel off already. I think you would use a plastic pry tool. I'd use a metal one in the junkyard, but you'd use a plastic pry tool to pull that off. There's 4 clips right there, and underneath you'll need a 10mm socket for the tops and a T30 Torx bit for the bottom. So I have an impact in the junkyard. So we'll do the Torx underneath. Might have to move the that's probably for the windshield washer fluid line right there, or the wiring for the third brake light. Okay, and then what I would do is when you go at the 10mm bolts, I use like a deeper socket for that, so you can go in there. Just hold on to the back of that, to the back of the hinge there, so it doesn't fall off. And sometimes it just sticks to the back there, and so sometimes you can just pull it. I'll come around to this side, and sometimes they're looser than others, but you just pull that off, and sometimes they're stuck. I think there's a sticker on that window, so you can just remove that and pull that off, and that one came off easily. And installation is the reverse of removal. Hope that helps. I'll have links to the part numbers. There's a right and a left, and I'll have links to those in the item description. We'll see you next time.